Hello guys, I have tell you about that we are reading Francis Bacon. If you have to know about the introductions of the Francis Bacon, I have already uploaded it. Now we are starting with the off studies. I'm making this essay, or I can say I will break this essay into 2 to 3 parts. Okay, so watch all the parts if you get it in the series wise, or if not, please go to my channel and then view all the series of it. Then let's start with the video that is of studies. In this, Francis Bacon has said that study serves the delight for ornament and the ability. That means studies give us delight. That means many of people, I think most of you also, study the books or the novels, basically novels. Not none of you read books. Everybody knows that. Even I don't study even my books also. So let's come to the topic. That is, some books gives us delight, and some have the ornament, like that gives the basic knowledge about everything, and some give us the ability. Okay, out as ornament means like the way of thinking, I can say, and ability is that how we can enhance our ability to work or our efficiency of work. We can enhance it. Okay, so this is the first line. Then second line goes with, their chief use of delight is in the privateness and retiring for the ornament and is in discourse. Okay, the chief use, and that means there means out here there means studies chief used for delight. Okay, most of you write books for delight only. In privateness, that means in a private place, and retiring, that means in a relaxing state. And if you are studying it for the ornament basis, is in discourse. That means you write a little bit today, then a little bit afterwards. Okay, and for the ability, like many of you reads the books for the ability, like you studies books for, like for in the biographies you read and other things, whatever you read uh, are for the judgment and the disposition of business. That means that, like we have, if we are going to read anybody's autobiography, what we are learning about, that is for the ability, that simply he denotes. For expert men can execute. Okay, for expert man, that in studies, if a person is expert, he can execute his ideas and perhaps judge of particulars. Okay, and judge a particular person one by one. But uh, but the general counsels and the plots and the marshalling of affairs come best from those that are learned. Okay, many of people can give judgment, many of can read it, but the best judgment which come is from the person who is learned. That means जिसे सब कुछ पता होगा, वही इंसान ज़्यादा अच्छे से उस चीज़ की नॉलेज दे पाएगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम आते हैं, come best from the learned person. To spend too much time in studies is sloth. He said that if you are studying a lot, okay, then you become a sloth. That means you become lazy. Okay, you have, it happen, it's a human nature that when you study for a regular period of time, you become a little lethargic. Okay, then to use them too much for the ornament is affection. Okay, if you use for too much of affection, it's for, it's only for, if you use it for ornament, sorry, if you use it for ornament, it only become an affection. To make judgment wholly, okay, if you want to judge a thing entirely or completely, I can say, by their rules, is the humor of a scholar, that you should read then a scholar if you want to judge anything in a very deep manner. The perfect nature and a perfect by experience. Why? Because they are perfect in nature and perfect in experience. For the natural abilities, like the natural plant, they need to the puring by studying and studying themselves to do give worthy directions to much at large except they be bounded in their experience. Out here he has simply he given us a simile between a writer, like the writer of his time, or the writer like himself. He talking about that he is like a plant. Okay, first he sow the seed, then water it. He compared it like first of all a person just read a book, then try to understand it, then grasps the whole knowledge about it, and then tell it to the others. The same with the writers or the philosophers who gives you certain philosophies. Okay, then crafty men condemns, this line is very important. Okay, then crafty men condemns it, that means applause studies. Simple men admires them. ओके, क्राफ्टी मैन सेज यार मतलब जैसे होता है ना, बहुत बच्चे होते हैं लाइक यार मैं मतलब मुझसे नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा, सो दे आर द क्राफ्टी मेन्स. ओके, सिंपल मैन एडमायर करेंगे किसको? वाइस मैन को, जो क्या करेगा, सारा का सारा पढ़ के जाते हैं एग्जाम्स में, वो वाला क्या होता है, वाइस मैन होता है. ठीक है, सिंपल मैन सिंपली एडमायर देम एंड वाइस मैन यूज देम फॉर दे टीच नॉट देयर ओन यूज बट फॉर द विजडम विदाउट देम and above them won by observation. And that means a wise man learn everything, grasp everything, and use all these things in his life wholly. Then read not to contradict or confute. He doesn't read to contradict or confute. That means for an argument or to showcase his knowledge, not to believe and to make for granted. That means for granted means the simple that way only, to showcase anyone or to tell anyone that yes, I have read it so much, or to take it like okay, I know this, I don't need to read it anymore now. Okay, not for granted, not to find talk or discourse, like not to talk and discourse. That means to जैसे हम विवाद कहते हैं एक तरीके का, उस चीज़ के लिए कुछ नहीं कि मतलब कि हमें क्यों पढ़ना चाहिए क्यों नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, जो होता है ना वाद विवाद जिसे हम कहते हैं, उसके लिए भी नहीं. ठीक है, बट अ वेट एंड कंसीडर. दैट मीन्स हाउ इट वेट्स एंड कंसीडर इट, दैट हाउ इट इज. Some books are to be tasted. This is also, these all lines are very important. From this you get the reference from the context mainly. So he said some books are to be tasted and other are to be swallowed and other few are to be chewed and digested. That is, some books are read only in the part and some are read to and some to be read not, but not curiously. That means in out here he talks about the books, that kind of books. He classify books simply, if I say that some are just for for the fun or just for the delight. Then some are to need a little carefully, like at some parts, and some are have to be chewed up. Most of you think the chewed up one parts are the course book, but this is not correct. Many people read many other books very harshly. So he is talking about those people, not about you. So to be read only in a parts and other reads, okay, but not curiously, and some are need to be wholly and direct attention. Okay, बता दिया मैंने आपको. कुछ को मतलब ऐसे ही पढ़ो, खाली ऊपर ऊपर जाओ, कुछ को बहुत ही डीप. जैसे हम लोग अपने सब्जेक्ट के टॉपिक्स को भी वो कर देते हैं कि यार ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पेपर में आएगा, अच्छे से पढ़ के जाते हैं. सब उसको क्या करते हैं, अच्छे से पढ़ के जाते हैं. तो सेम वही बात है. सम बुक्स ऑल्सो मे बी रेड बाय deputy and extract made of them by others, but that would be only in the less important arguments and the meaner sorts of books. Else distilled books are like common distilled water, flashy things. Read make the full man. If I will talk about here, so he had talked about that some book read by deputy. That means a higher society of people and extract and others, like some books are made for the higher class people, that they are matlab like बहुत सी बुक्स होती हैं ऐसी जिसमें मतलब बहुत ही हाई फाई लिखा होता है, जो मतलब एक नॉर्मल इंसान के मतलब समझने लायक नहीं होता। और बहुत सी ऐसी होती हैं जो कि मतलब नॉर्मल होती हैं, सब समझ सकते हैं उसे नॉर्मली, दैट आर डिस्टिल्ड एंड फ्लैशी थिंग्स। देन जो एक रीडिंग है क्या बनाता है, एक फुल मैन बनाता है। रीडिंग मेक्स अ फुल मैन। कॉन्फ्रेंस यानी कि आपस में जब आप दो लोग कोई बात करते हो तो वो एक रेडीमेड बनाता है, यानी है ना, एक वो रेडीमेड बनाता है। जब आप डिबेट वेट में जाते हो तो आपको एक रेडीमेड बनाता है। एंड राइटिंग एन एग्जैक्ट मैन, और जो लोग लिखते हैं उसको एक एग्जैक्ट मैन बनाता है, यानी कि मतलब वो हर चीज़ लिख सकता है किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में। एंड देयरफॉर इफ अ मैन राइट लिटिल ही हैड नीड टू हैव अ ग्रेट मेमोरी। और अगर कोई इंसान कम लिखता है तो उसके पास क्या होनी चाहिए, ग्रेट मेमोरी होनी चाहिए। इफ़ ही कन्फर लिटिल, अगर वो कम कॉन्फर करता है, ठीक है, तो उसके पास क्या होना चाहिए, प्रेजेंट विट होनी चाहिए कि मतलब वो तुरंत जवाब दे सके। एंड इफ़ यू रीड लिटिल ही नीड टू हैव मच कनिंग, तो उसको क्या होना चाहिए, बहुत कनिंग होना चाहिए, यानी कि बहुत तेज होना चाहिए। टू सी टू नो वट ही डोंट नॉट। हिस्ट्रीज मेक अ मैन वाइज। हिस्ट्री अगर मतलब अब उन्होंने बताया कि अगर किसी में किसी भी चीज़ की कमी है तो उसे क्या पढ़ना चाहिए। जैसे कि अगर किसी कोई बंदा वाइज नहीं है तो उसे क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, हिस्ट्रीज पढ़नी चाहिए। कोई बंदा विटी नहीं है तो क्या पढ़नी चाहिए, पोएम पढ़नी चाहिए। फिर स्टेबल है तो क्या पढ़नी चाहिए, मैथमेटिक्स। अगर उसे डीप जाना है, मोरल क्लावर लॉजिकल रिथॉर्जिक एबल टू कंटेंट, दैट मीन्स ये सारी नॉलेजेस करनी है, मोरल और डीप और लॉजिकल मेस्टली, तो उसे क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, नेचुरल फिलोसफी पढ़नी चाहिए, ठीक है। देयर हैज़ नो स्टैंड और इम्पेटस इन द विट बट फॉर द ब्रॉट आउट बाय द फिट स्टडीज लाइक एंड डिजीज। वो कह रहे हैं कि